Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add effect to overlay only in CapCut PC. So I'm going to select the main photo to the clip and I'm going to add the overlay. So I'm going to add this image. So which is this the image overlays or photo overlay, and I'm going to add effect, and then I'm going to add the flicker and split, remove unused, and how to add the flicker effect just for the overlay only. Alright, just select the overlay and the effect, right click and create compound clip. So you can see the effect, just add to overlay only. Alright, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please let it in the comment section below. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, please leave the comment section below. Thank you so much.